There's a new sharing option, or they've adjusted the sharing option in Google. So you click share, and it looks different. And so you have to, if you want to just make it anybody with the link, you got to click here to change. And right here it's Box Elder. We can just do anyone with the link instead of Box Elder. That way anybody can see it. And then we can save it, which it's done. And now anyone with the link can copy it. Now we can go copy link. And then when we paste it in, it will be, anybody can view it. Now, the other thing we could do is we can have a viewer, commenter, or editor. Usually we want viewer. And so this way everybody can view it. And remember that if we want to make it so they have to make a copy, we just delete all of this and type in copy. Then copy this URL. And then when they open it, it'll ask them to make a copy of it.